lock the door. Set you on your knee, na fi score. Set the ball a door when you wine, watch it goal. Girl, you want
that big cocky all night. Right on the body and die. Crashing out the bed, lick away.
So viewers, don't go on with. Hope everybody had a good. I hope everybody had a great. Welcome back to our next brand new video. And in today's video, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel scheduled to release the official music video for his song Semper Fi. And in the previous video that I did told y'all that this song definitely need a visual to it. So if you see the official video go forward soon, viewers and subscribers, I can't wait to see it because I know say it not go normal. Anyway, we're gonna talk about that. And also Vybz Kartel Semper Fi, viewers, it's the top 100 iTunes chart. So I'll get into all of these viewers and subscribers, but I don't know the drift. Like the video, share the content with a friend, subscribe for the first time to this channel, and definitely leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think, so I can start off the video like this.
lovely and lock the world and done. Lock the world and done. Lovely and now your time come. Fake news no run, and you bring all the gal them fun. Sending us up to the time, you know what's called Tell, representing for Lovelane TV, #1 vlogger, done, oh.
Brave like Semper Fi. Right bam body all night. Crashing out the bed, lick away.
So viewers, Vybz Kartel dropped Semper Fi the other day. And honestly, viewers, subscribers, the song is so unique. From the G delivery, to the flow, to the lyrics, the beat. I mean, everything merged together, viewers and subscribers, make the song what it is. And this are the reason why I always are telling us that the female them will never left out the teacher. Because when every other artist out there sing gunman song, you understand me, I say scammer song, the G always ensures that there's a segment in the dance for the female them. So the female them can enjoy themselves. So the female them can break out and dash out. You understand me, I say, and feel good. Vybz Kartel always there for the female. So in return, the female them always are represent for the G. And as Toma always say, so long as you go for the female them, so long as I represent for the female them, you can't go wrong. No jokes. But anyhow, viewers, Semper Fi music video, as we there start talk, it a shoot. Or by now, it done shoot and I edit. And I look for a release date. So I mean, viewers, subscribers, this are gonna be an epic music video. Because based on the snippet that I have seen, viewers and subscribers, the female them, as Toma did tell them in the last video, them a do them thing. Them a enjoy the music, because this song, viewers and subscribers, this song give you a different kind of vibes. I mean, a whole different kind of vibes there to this song, viewers and subscribers. Play this song when you're in a female lockdown and you see the type of vibes I'm going to talk about. That kind of vibes there. So the performance from the female them in this music video, viewers and subscribers, as to me tell you, I know I'm going to enjoy it. Because based on how I see so far, I like what I see. In fact, I love what I see, no jokes. So I can just imagine how the finished project I go look. So I can't wait to see that. But anyhow, viewers, the video will be directed by Ray-Ban Official and will be starring Alice Faref Candid. I mean, forgive me if I'm not pronouncing her name right, but big up that female. But anyhow, viewers, subscribers, definitely look out for this brand new music video from Vybz Kartel for the song entitled Like Semper Fi. I mean, viewers, subscribers, the song is like out of this world. I mean, delivery, everything about the song, just perfect. No jokes about that. So definitely look out for this music video. So let's move on to the next topic, in which that is still Semper Fi. We're still on that topic, viewers. But anyhow, as Thomas said, Vybz Kartel dropped Semper Fi, and just like every other song where the man dropped, viewers and subscribers, the song hit the iTunes top 100 chart. And more time people make it seem as if like this isn't a big deal, this isn't really nothing, this isn't a real virgin or something. Because most of the favorite artists, them a drop song, we not see them on them chart. So this is a big deal. This is something to be talked about. But they are talk about it. Because for the G do this for approximately every song. And not even approximately, viewers and subscribers. Every time when me check the chart when Vybz Kartel release a song, the G always in the top 100. You understand me? I say, for every song. Every time when the G drop a song and me check the chart, the G in it. And what that mean? That simply means that the people might go out and spend them hard earned. The people must stream. The people them are go out and support overall. That's what it mean. You understand me? I say, That's how it mean. And for all of the people who are talking and say, oh, this, oh, that, Virgin, if your favorite artist music did I sell, them would have in at the top 100. So that's simple say. We don't even have to say 40. But anyhow, viewers, subscribers, at this time of recording, Vice Cartel Semperfi is at number 75 on the iTunes Top 100 chart. And viewers, subscribers, this is a good look. And we definitely look forward to see this up more in the charts. So again, for everyone who go out and a support and a purchase, I mean, my respect to everyone of you. You understand me? Continue, do the right thing, continue stream, and set up the numbers and want to purchase it, go out, make a purchase, and just represent overall. Alright, say it there. You get me? I say, because viewers, subscribers, as to I always say, over the years, Vice Cartel give us bangers after bangers after bangers after bangers. I mean, the least we can do is support the music when it drop. And so far as to me say, we see the support of our Dean. So again, big up to everybody where I do them thing, where I do. I mean, just continue to do the right thing. And alright, they say it there. And for those who probably can't go out and go make a purchase, the song is officially out on Vybz Kartel Radio / Vice Cartel Vivo. And if you don't hear the song yet, by the way, you know I miss out, brother. You know I miss out big time, brother. Like, huge. No jokes. Thomas Tullen said the song just different. Just exceptionally different. And I mean, for who don't hear the song yet, I mean, Regin, I don't know. But yeah, miss out. But take this from me. Play this song when I lock down with a female. And thank me later. And I write this it there. But anyhow, viewers, subscribers, Vice Cartel hit the iTunes Top 100 chart. What do you think about that? And also, Semperfi music video is about to drop very, very soon. So no look out for it. And I mean, you know it go. I'm going to leave the video right here. So, but on the boy Lovely and always I bring the latest tune as soon as possible. So until next time, big up on yourself every time. I'm out.
Girl, your breast them juicy, sweeter than ice cream cone. Sucking your nipple like oxtail bone. While me a wine, now you're perfect.